Hey guys, I got a question from Superman Notorious. He's got a AVIC Z110 and a Fosgate amp. Before he had an AVIC Z1, and he used a high-low converter to get RCA signals to his amp. And he said it sounded great. He left it that way for a week, installed the AVIC Z110, then he connected the amp directly to the AVIC. He grounded the AVIC to the amp's ground, and his RCAs don't run near the 4-gauge power wire. And the problem he's having is getting a constant hum and an occasional popping from the sub. He's asking what could happen. Does he need a ground loop isolator? He sent a little update. He said it doesn't seem to be the ground loop problem, as the sub gets static even when the sub is turned off through the AVIC. So he's getting noise with no signal going into the amp. He thinks the problem could be moving that mute lead when he bypassed the unit, when he did the navigation bypass. If you're getting noise with no signal going to the amp, that probably means the amp ground is bad. And when you're saying you grounded the AVIC to the amp's ground, you don't want to just have the AVIC getting the ground from the amp, because if your amp has a bad ground, your head unit's going to have a bad ground. A lot of people run what's called a return ground. They'll ground the AVIC or any head unit to the chassis or the harness, the ground harness behind the radio, and they'll run a return ground from that ground to the amp. That can eliminate noise problems. With newer amps and today's head units, I don't think you have to do that anymore. I haven't run a return ground in years. I never have noise problems. Also, I've seen problems in Pioneers where your head unit doesn't have a good ground. So what happens is the head unit tries to ground itself through the RCA cable because it doesn't have a good ground in the head unit, so it grounds through the shield part of the RCA back to the amp, and that can damage the pre-outs in the unit. So what we have to do is diagnose and see if the noise is coming from the head unit or it's coming from the amp. So what you probably want to do first is unplug the RCAs from the back of the head unit or at the amp and see if you still get that noise. Because if you're getting a noise with no RCA signal plugged in at all, that tells you the problems with the amp or the ground with the amp or something. My gut instinct would be that if you're getting a hum and the sub pre-out's turned off on the AVIC, I think you got a ground problem on your amp. You just really want to make sure that your ground cable's the same size as your power cable, and the metal is scraped away where you grounded it. Scrape all the paint off that metal, drill a hole, do a nut and bolt, make sure that thing's really tight, and also check the ground at the front of the car. You know, if you have a bad ground or a loose cable on your battery, that's also going to cut down on current and is going to give you weird problems and stuff like that. So, you know, first thing to do, check to see if the noise is coming from the head unit or the amp. Unplug the RCAs from the amp, see if you still get any noise. Check your ground on the amp. Make sure the ground on the head unit is good. So just go straight from your head unit to the chassis, or just make sure it's grounded to the ground wire back there. You might want to try a new RCA cable. Just run it on the outside of the car, you know, without running the whole cable. Just go from the back of the head unit to the amp. See if that could be it. You could just have a bad cable. And if you're still getting noise with your amp grounded good, and if you have no noise when the amp's not plugged in, and you plug a new RCA cable in, and you plug it into the back of the AVIC, you might have that RCA pre-out problem from, you know, the head unit trying to ground itself through RCA if it was turned on without a proper ground, in which case you'd probably be able to get it warrantied from wherever you bought it from. But yeah, try those things and let me know what you think. That should be it, man. So that's from Superman Notorious. Give me a shout back. Let me know if you can fix that. Thanks, man.